Every year, thousands of students buy a wrong laptop before college, don't find until month 3, or completely useless for what they actually want to do. Today I am going to fix that. And stick around because there is one laptop myth and costing students thousands of rupees. Almost nobody wants to talk about it. If you are joining college this year and confused about which laptop to buy, coding laptop, editing laptop, AI laptop, this video is your answer. I am not just going to name one laptop. I am going to show you exactly which category fits your budget and your work. And by the end, I will reveal the myth that makes people overspend on laptops they buy. Hey guys, welcome back to Harsha Singh. I'm Harshavardhini. Let's go into it. First rule, don't buy a laptop because a YouTuber recommended it. Ask yourself, what am I actually going to use this for? Because a laptop built for coding may be a wrong choice for editing, and a laptop built for AI is overkill if you are just writing a code. So which one are you? If you are only coding C, C++, Java, Python, web development, Android development, college projects, you don't need a gaming laptop. You need Intel Core Ultra 5, AMD Ryzen AI 5. 16GB RAM, not 8GB. By 2026, 8GB RAM is not enough for modern browsers and IDEs. And also you need 512GB SSD, a built-in LPU, which now handles background AI tasks and saves battery. If you are doing coding and basic editing, docs, tutorials, reels, shorts, you still don't need a dedicated graphics card. A strong processor with good integrated graphics and a NPU like Intel Core Ultra, Ryzen AI or MacBook Air. Smoothly with great battery life. Doing heavy editing, After Effects, Premiere, everything changes. Now you need a powerful CPU and a dedicated GPU, fast SSD, better display, better cooling. Rendering hits CPU and GPU hard. A basic coding laptop can just slow you down there. A coding laptop saves you money, but a heavy editing laptop with a right GPU wastes your time. If you are going into AI and machine learning, training a model means teaching a computer to recognize huge amounts of data, like training a chatbot to answer questions. That takes serious compute. NVIDIA RTX 50 series, at least 32GB RAM and 1TB SSD. But here is the catch I have promised you. Most professionals don't even train their big models on their personal laptops. Use Google Colab, Kaggle or Cloud GPU. That thought. I'll come back to exactly what that means for your wallet in a bit. Once you know your category, here is the how money breakdown. Medium budget, $600 to $800, that is 60,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees. Best for coding, Python, Java, web development, basic editing, Core Ultra 5, Ryzen AI 5, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD. This is where most first year students should be looking for. Best value for money. For medium budget, $1,000 to $1,500, that is 80,000 to 1,20,000 rupees. Best for heavy multitasking, editing, Premiere, Android Studio, virtual machines. 7, Ryzen AI 9, Apple M Series Pro, 16 to 32GB RAM and 1TB SSD. Sweet spot for creators, not overkill, not underpowered. High budget, above $1,600, that is 1,40,000 rupees above. Best for AI, deep learning, heavy video editing, Blender. RTX 5060 or 5070 or above for Windows. M Series Max for Mac, 32 to 64GB RAM and 1 to 2TB SSD. Only buy this tier if you will actually use that power. Otherwise, you are paying for performance that just sits there. Now let's talk about what actually kills a laptop purchase. Even an expensive one. Bigger RAM equal to better laptop, not always true. Gaming laptop equal to better laptop, also not true. Spending everything on the processor and ignoring the display. Buying a beautiful laptop but with terrible cooling. Buying a 256GB storage and regretting in months. What's the one thing all of these mistakes have in common? People optimize one spec and forgot that the laptop has to operate for all the work. Here is the trade-off for college life specifically. Dedicated GPU laptops are powerful, but they are heavy and the battery life is often brutal. If you have back-to-back classes across your campus with no charging facility, a heavy gaming laptop becomes a daily punishment, not a flex. Okay, remember the myth I have promised you? You almost don't just need to buy a heavy AI laptop to just get into AI. Even professional train severe models using their GPU, not their personal laptop. So if you're a student who is curious about AI but not yet doing production ready training, you can start on a mid-range laptop and only you can rent the GPU power if you needed it. That single decision can save you tens of thousands of rupees. Let's recap in a quick way. For your use case, coding, editing, AI, not for the hype. Match your budget here based on the work you do. If this helped you figure out which laptop is actually correct for you, comment laptop below. Like this video and subscribe and share to your friend who is joining college this year. See you in the next one.